Hello everyone. March 4th, 2015. Spring is in the air and so are the bees. Went out back and discovered that there was a very large bee ball. A swarm of bees had separated from one or the other of the hives, probably the top bar beehive, and are regrouping on one of the lower branches of the avocado tree. It's a really good sized swarm. They are all just clustered around a queen who's in the center of this mass of bee bodies. The time that this was recorded was probably about 11:30 in the afternoon, or just before the afternoon. And these are a healthy bunch of bees, all working in concert to further the colony. As I understand it, they will move to another location that they have scouted out. So the bee ball that you see here will be conspicuously absent sometime probably before the evening hits. Strange thing about the bees is when they're in a big mass like this and the wind blows on them or you touch them, they kind of move like a liquid, almost like a gelatin or something. But if you think about it, in some places this mass of bees is probably 20 bees deep, and they, the airflow must be flowing all around there. They're all getting enough air to breathe and they're just all clustered up. I wonder what it's like down in the middle of this. Well, that's it for now. We'll see what else the spring brings. But for now, this is Bare Feet Billy signing off.